I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2011 Mercedes C300 3.0 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the engine oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a cup type oil filter wrench, Teflon tape, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, a universal oil pan drain plug, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 8mm socket, small screwdriver, brake clean, funnel, and my oil pan. So I'm going to be removing the engine oil filler cap, but first I'm going to be removing this plastic piece. I'm going to be lifting up the front, putting it up on the side, opening up my oil filler cap and putting my funnel in. So we're under the vehicle. So now I'm going to be removing this plastic shield to get access to my oil pan drain plug. So there's a bunch of bolts, 8mm bolts that you gotta remove. So I removed the front and the rear plastic shield to get access to the oil pan drain plug. So now I'm going to be removing the plug. Okay, so this old plug, originally somebody put some Teflon tape around it. Probably was leaking real slightly. So what I'm going to do is remove this Teflon tape. Then I'm going to wind some new Teflon tape on. Kind of like wind it up. So now we're going to install the plug. So I'm going to be installing the drain plug. Be putting up this plastic shield. The filter is right here. This is a canister type, so I'm going to be removing the cover. So I'm going to be removing the old filter, so you just pull it up, clean it with some brake clean. If you don't have brake clean, just use a rag or shop towel. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. It's going to take 9 quarts of 530 full synthetic engine oil filter, and a can of BG MOA engine oil treatment. So I'm going to be installing this filter. It comes with these O-rings. So first I'm going to be replacing these O-rings, replacing this big one. Then I'm going to be removing these 2 little ones. Okay, we're going to be putting the filter on. And then I'm going to be oiling up the seal. Okay, so I'm going to be putting some lube on my O-rings. Little here, right here. Clean this guy up, put it on. Tighten it down. Be adding 9 quarts of full synthetic 530 engine oil. I'm going to add 1 can of MOA. Now I'm going to be installing my oil filler cap. Make sure it's really tight. So I lowered the car. Now we're going to start it up. Let it run for a little while. Okay, so I'm going to be putting back this plastic piece. We're checking the oil. There's a dipstick on the back of the motor on the driver's side. Pull it out, wipe it down, stick it in, pull it out, check the level. Perfect, right up to the full. So that's how you change engine oil and an oil filter. If you like my videos, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.